Good morning, 7th class. Yesterday I gave you the homework of punctuation letter and we were discussing about this apostrophe S, and let us see what you have done. Match your answer. Exercise number 121 I gave you in the homework and 122 also. So please match your answer. The sea surface SEA, S. Then a week's time WEEK apostrophe S. Then the boys uniform, boys are many, so BOY apostrophe S. BOY apostrophe S pen. The children's playground, the monkeys faces apostrophe after S. My father's diary apostrophe after father. The women's coat apostrophe after women. The woman's voice apostrophe after woman. Brown's friend apostrophe after brown. Have you done? Match? Okay. Now come to exercise 122. Rewrite the following sentences using the contracted form of the pairs of the words in italics. Use an apostrophe at its appropriate place. See, I am going to tell you a story. And we have to use contracted form in place of I am. So see, I have written the answer. It is I am. It is I am. I apostrophe am. I am. I will help you. I'll. I apostrophe double L. Here is a letter for you. HERE apostrophe S. Who is knocking at the door? Who is? Who is? WHO apostrophe S. He was not absent. Wasn't. WASN apostrophe T. Wasn't. There is a house on the top of the hill. There is a house on the top of the hill. Then it is there is. THERE apostrophe S. There is. He has not come yet. Hasn't. Hasn't. HASN comma T. Hasn't. They could not recognize me. Couldn't. COULDN apostrophe T. Couldn't. I do not hate anyone. Don't. DON apostrophe T. Don't. We will not bother you again. Then it is won't. WONT. Won't. Shall not, shan't. Will not, won't. Do not, don't. Could not, couldn't. Has not, hasn't. Okay? Clear? Now see. Quotation mark. It is quotation marks. The quotation marks or inverted commas are used to enclose a quotation. He said, comma, inverted comma start, I am glad to see you, inverted comma close, full stop. I am glad to see you, inverted comma start, I am glad to see you, inverted comma close, comma, said Pratibha. Inverted comma start, she failed, inverted comma close, comma, I said, comma, because she did not work hard. Whether at the end, in the middle or the beginning of the sentence, the introductory phrase, he said Gopal, must be separated by commas if no other stop is used. See the example. I know him, I said. Then it is The statement said by I is inverted commas, is in inverted comma. Inverted comma start, I know him, inverted comma close, comma, I said. He is my friend, said Ahmed, and I must help him. He said, comma, inverted comma start, I am coming, inverted comma close, full stop. Then do you know him? Question mark. Starting inverted comma start, do you know him? Question mark, inverted comma close. He said. No comma needed because question mark, in question mark the stop has come. So comma is not needed here. So mind it. See exercise 123. Punctuate these sentences using capital letters where necessary. Same we have to do. We have to put the quotation mark also. We have to use the capital letter also. We have to use the comma also. Whatever things are needed to punctuate the sentence, we have to do that. Okay? You must know, said the teacher, that the secret of success is hard work. So the teacher said, the teacher is in between, and the sentence you must know that the secret of success is hard work. The same quote is told by the teacher and it is separated into two parts. So only first U, Y will be capital. Only Y will be capital and we will start the quotation mark from here. Inverted comma we will start. Inverted comma start. You must know, inverted comma close, then comma, said the teacher, again comma, inverted comma start, that the secret of success is hard work. Full stop, inverted comma, close. Then see second number. I said you are to blame. I capital, said, comma, inverted comma start. You are to blame. You, Y capital, are to blame, full stop, inverted comma, close. Then who is to take the first turn? Asked the lady. The statement of lady is who is to take the first turn. It will be in inverted commas and W will be capital. Who is to take first turn? Inverted comma start and close at turn and then separate it by comma. Ask the lady, full stop. Now see the next page. We are doing some and rest you will try at home. They are very easy, just do them carefully. Okay? How silly of you to think like that, said my boss. The exclamation is there. How, H capital, how silly of you to think like that. The sign of exclamation will be there. And the quotation will be kept in quotation mark. How, start inverted comma and close the inverted comma at the that. And then sign of exclamation, said my boss, full stop. These apples are not good, said the customer. So the quotation of the customer in inverted commas, these T capital and separated with comma. The fox said the grapes are sour. The quotation in inverted commas, the T capital, the fox said, comma, inverted comma start, the grapes are sour, full stop and put in quotation mark. The grapes are sour, put them in quotation mark. Okay, clear? So are you getting me? I think they are clear to you and you can solve them easily. In the same way, 10th we are doing, I teach English, said Mukesh with a smile. The quotation of Mukesh is separated in two parts. See here. I teach English, said Mukesh with a smile. So I capital, English E capital, Mukesh M capital. First these three things, then the quotation in quotation mark. I teach English, quotation mark, then comma, said Mukesh, again comma, with a smile, full stop. I teach English, put the quotation in inverted commas, said Mukesh with a smile, and it is full stop. I think you are able to solve it now. So it's end for today. Bye students. You can do them. Okay. If any problem you can ask.